Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend your Twitter X account. There is a simple method that might help you regain access without going through the usual appeal process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and search for the X Help Center. Once you are in the Help Center, look for the article related to logged and suspend account issues and tap on it. Next, log out of your account by typing the highlighted logout link in the article. After logging out, sign back in. If your account was suspended due to a minor issue, you might see a message asking you to verify your identity. This can include confirming your email address or providing your phone number. Simply follow the on-screen instruction to complete the verification. In many cases, completing this step is enough to unsuspend your account. While there is no guaranteed way to restore your account without an official appeal, using the Help Center through a web browser can sometimes help depending on the reason for the suspension. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.